Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at the US dollar as we head into Q1 earnings, and we want to know what to watch for. But before we discuss that, let's just take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Now, tomorrow we're going to see the earnings from JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and Wells Fargo, etc. And this is effectively going to kick off Q1 earnings. And what we're going to watch for in this earnings season, we want to look for the earnings beats, any surprises. We want to look at the forward guidance. And effectively, we want to see how nominal rates adjust to the Q1 releases. And as the nominal earnings adjust, presumably for inflation, well, this is going to help us determine the trend for the US dollar. Let's just bring up the US dollar chart. And we're looking here at the weekly chart. I just want to put in our peaks and troughs. So we'll start off here and we'll put in a reference trough. And here is our reference peak. And let's just put in the higher trough over there. And of course, following the higher trough, we get the higher peak. And this is very much a function of the movements in yields in Q1. What we're looking forward to is to see if we are in fact going to get a higher trough over here. Okay, so let's just make that a little clearer. So we're looking to see if we get a higher trough here. Now we can see that the weekly RSI is above 50 and the stochastic making its way towards the upper quintile. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. Q1 earnings likely to have an effect on nominal yields. Now, if inflation adjusts, if inflation adjustments are made upwards, this is likely to support the greenback. We are looking to see if a higher trough will be charted on the weekly. I hope you found this snapshot useful. If you did, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.